Do you want to earn Miro Verified badges while you upskill yourself on Miro? With Miro Academy, now you can. Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll take a look at MIroversity or Miro Academy. If you head over to academy.miro.com and scroll down that page, you should see a list of Miro Verified badges that you can earn. Each course is a learning path, starting from Miro fundamentals like Miro 101 to something more specific like mapping and diagrams and collaborative meetings. At the time of recording, there are 3 learning paths, but you can expect to have more in the future. I'd highly recommend taking these Miro courses, especially if you're new to Miro. If you have already used Miro and already familiar with Miro, these courses can act as a great refresher. Each course has a few sections, and each section might have a video and some textual content to go through. At the end of each video, you will be presented with a set of questions, a set of multi-choice questions, and answering 80% of them correctly will give you a Miro Verified badge that you can then boast about on your profile. Some of these multi-choice questions have a single right answer, while others have multiple correct answers. The badge will automatically be emailed to you from Credly on the email address you used to sign in to Miro Academy. So if you already have a Credly account, be sure to sign in using that same email address to Miro Academy. Credly is a service that hosts your digital certificates and also gives people the option to verify these badges. After completing one course, I'd highly recommend logging into Credly and heading into the organization's settings page and enabling auto accept from Miro. This will mean that when you do the next and subsequent courses from Miro, the digital badges will be automatically transferred to your Credly account and automatically accepted from Miro, thus removing any manual step of actually accepting a digital badge. You can also head over to your profile in Credly and see all the badges that you have earned. So in summary, I'd highly recommend completing these Miro courses and earning your very own verified badges. So happy learning.